time. Gulliver's going to be on the radio.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Gulliver the Seagull with his newly written song. Please welcome Gulliver.
If I could be a parrot in the zoo, I'd still want to be me. I've got no time for elves that go to it to wow. I just want to be me. Soaring up into the blue skies, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Up where the air is clear, there's no pollution here. I fly. If I could be a cow on a farm, I'd still want to be me. The humans are nice, they've got lots of charm, but I just want to be me. Soaring up into the blue skies, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Up where the air is clear, there's no pollution here. I fly. If I could be anything at all, I'd still want to be me. Soaring up into the blue skies, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Up where the air is clear, there's no pollution here. I fly.
That was quite good for a seagull.
That was excellent, and he didn't have to pretend to be anybody else.
No, he was just himself.